guys, Charity Simmons, PSP fitness instructor from Cold Lake Air Base. Today I made some frozen tropical vacation pops. So I mashed up my bananas, added some Greek yogurt, some orange juice. I mashed it all together in a bowl, but then I put it in a measuring cup, so a lot easier to fill up my popsicles. So fill them up, and then I'm gonna freeze these bad boys. Way too easy, and as always, there's no rules. Basically, anything I make as a smoothie, you can throw in there. I really like the peanut butter banana ones with some strawberries. No rules. You could blend up some spinach in there and throw it in there. Whatever. Like I said, however you make your smoothie, make these. But these are pretty delicious. 5 out of 5. Have a good one, guys.